What if I told you most people fail at making money online, not because it's hard, but because they're playing the wrong game? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a proven system, a clear path that takes you from making absolutely nothing online to building a real income stream that can grow month after month. No hype, no shortcuts, just what actually works. Most people think making money online is complicated. It's not. What's actually complicated is all the noise. Different methods, different gurus, different strategies. And because of that, people either never start or they start and never finish. But here's something most people don't realize. Everyone who tries to make money online goes through the same stages. It's like a wheel. You don't skip it, you don't hack it, you move through it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, so you can move faster than 99% of people. Let's begin. Stage 1, no side hustle, the most dangerous place. This is where most people are. No extra income, just one source of money, and that might feel normal. But it's actually the riskiest position you can be in today. Because the world has changed, prices are going up, opportunities are shifting online, and stability is becoming an illusion. Think about this. If your income depends on one job, one boss, one decision, then your entire life is controlled by something you don't fully own. That's a dangerous place. So why don't people start? It's not laziness, it's confusion. You open social media and see make $10,000 in 30 days, passive income with no effort, secret method no one is talking about, and your brain does something interesting. It gets overwhelmed and shuts down, because when everything looks like an opportunity, nothing feels real. The right way to start. You don't need the best method. You need a clear method. There are only two simple paths. 1, skill-based income. You sell what you can do: editing, design, writing, coding. Example, a beginner video editor can start by charging $30, $50 per video. Do 2 to 3 clients, and you've already built your first income stream. 2, product-based income. You sell products online, and the best part, you don't even need to own the product. For example, you find a trending item, create a simple store, and when someone buys, a supplier ships it. No inventory, no storage, no stress. But here's the catch. Starting is easy. Staying consistent, that's where everything changes. Because the moment you start, you enter the most frustrating stage of all. Stage 2, the failing side hustle, where most people quit. This stage is dangerous because it feels like you're working, but you're not moving forward. You make a little money, $10, $20, maybe $50, but nothing consistent. And slowly, doubt starts creeping in. You start thinking, maybe this doesn't work. Maybe I chose the wrong method. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. It's not the method, it's the lack of focus. The real problem, shiny object syndrome. This is where people destroy their own progress. 1 week, drop shipping. Next week, crypto, then freelancing, then YouTube automation. Every time something looks easier, they jump. And every time they jump, they reset their progress. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine going to the gym. Day 1, you train chest. Day 2, you switch to cardio. Day 3, you try yoga. Day 4, you quit. Then next week, you start a new plan. Will you ever get results? No, because results don't come from trying everything. They come from sticking to one thing long enough. The shift that changes everything. Instead of chasing the best method, choose a method that is simple to start, proven to work, scalable over time, and then commit to it for at least 6 months. No switching, no distractions, just execution. Why most people fail here? Because they expect fast results. They want success in weeks. But real success takes time. This is the stage where patience beats talent. And if you survive this stage, everything changes, because once you push through this phase, you enter a stage that only a small percentage of people ever reach. Stage 3, the successful side hustle, where things click. This is where things start working. You're no longer guessing, you're learning, you're improving, and, most importantly, you're earning. But what separates people here from everyone else? It's not luck, it's not intelligence. It's a few simple behaviors, done consistently. Let's break them down. Step 1. Clarity beats creativity. Most people try to be creative. Smart people focus on being clear. If your message is confusing, you won't make sales. Example: instead of saying, "This is a high-quality product," say, "This saves you 2 hours every day." Now it's clear. Now it's valuable. Now it sells. Step 2. Consistency creates visibility. You don't need to go viral. You need to show up every day, because attention is the currency of the internet. Example: post 1 video daily. It's not perfect videos, not cinematic videos, just clear, useful, simple content. After 30 days, you'll have 30 chances to win. Most people quit after 5. Step 3. Show. Don't just tell people, don't trust words. They trust what they see. Example: if you're selling a product, show someone using it. Show the before, show the after, show the difference. Because when people see the benefit, they don't need convincing. Step 4. Trust is everything. No trust, no sales. Example: would you buy from a store with no reviews? No. So build proof. Even if you're starting, record your own experience. Show real feedback. Use real people. Trust builds momentum. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people think this is the final stage, making money, getting sales. But this is just the beginning, because there's a hidden level where money starts working for you. Stage 4. The elite level, where real wealth is built. This is where less than 1% of people operate. And the difference is not what they earn, it's what they do with what they earn. The core principle: reinvestment average mindset. I made money, let me spend it. Elite mindset: I made money, let me multiply it. Example: you earn $500. Instead of buying something, you invest it into better tools, better content, better marketing. Now your system improves. Now your results grow. Second level thinking. Instead of asking, "How much can I earn?" ask, "How can I grow faster?" Example: you're doing everything yourself, editing, posting, managing. You're stuck. So you spend $50 to outsource one task. Now you save time. Now you focus on growth. That's how scaling begins. The real difference. At this level, you stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a builder. You're not chasing money anymore. You're building systems that generate it. Here's the truth no one tells you. Making money online is not about luck. It's not about secret strategies. It's about who you become in the process. Most people stay stuck because they quit too early, or they keep changing direction. But if you do one thing right, just one, stay consistent long enough to see results, you will move forward, stage by stage, until one day, you look back and realize you're no longer trying to make money online. You've built something that makes money for you. So ask yourself honestly, where are you right now on this wheel? And more importantly, are you finally ready to move forward? Or will you stay exactly where you are 6 months from today?